Working with multiple databases in .NET? There's a better way than juggling 5 providers. Meet dotConnect Universal. One provider, one API, endless database possibilities. Why developers choose dotConnect Universal? One API for all major databases. Seamless switching via connection strings. Secure, enterprise-grade ADO.NET architecture. Backed by an expert support team. Perfect for multi-tenant apps, migrations, or SaaS. Get started in 2 simple ways. Use the Windows installer for a complete setup that integrates with Visual Studio, or install the NuGet package for the fastest way to connect to a database. Effortlessly connect to a data source using Server Explorer in Microsoft Visual Studio. Add a connection, select the data provider, enter your server credentials, and connect. Browse tables, columns, and data, all within Visual Studio. Let's connect to PostgreSQL database using the Universal Connection class. The syntax is simple, familiar, and works across supported databases. Just change the provider name and connection string to target a different backend. dotConnect Universal gives you the full set of essential ADO.NET tools. Connect, execute commands, read data, manage parameters, and control transactions, all with a unified database-agnostic interface. And when you need more than the basics, our Universal Data Provider extends ADO.NET with tools to build connection strings easily, monitor live SQL, integrate custom providers, batch multiple statements, and auto-generate commands, all to help you move faster with less code. Start building smarter with dotConnect Universal today. Download your 30-day free trial. One provider, all databases, unlimited potential.